Yeah, she had some trouble during qualifying. Had that little crazy spin out on the grass.
Which is why I wonder if they're starting her in the back. But anyways, here we go. Here they come to the cup. Green flag, and we're racing.
David Russell Jr. out front early. Todd Bridges in that 29 right there with Shannon Stoltz. Trying to slow down the 3-point leaders, all right behind him. Russell currently 5th on the points.
So the battle is between Stoltz and Erickson as Bridges is still hanging in there. Rude and Evink side by side as Melody Welding drops back just a little bit here. So far leading the race, it's Russell, Bridges, Stoltz with a slight edge over Erickson. And we've got a side-by-side battle for 5th place between Aaron Rude and Kelly Evink.
The question is, will the 9 of Rude go 3 wide to get up there? He's small enough in the Pinto.
He's done it multiple times as we were just talking about it. Here we go. Here goes Rude looking to that hard inside. Changes his mind.
Still David Russell in the 8 ahead.
Todd Bridges falls back to 3rd. A little bit of smoke coming off the 55 of Shannon Stoltz going into 1. Here comes Erickson to challenge Russell for the lead.
Yeah, there's all 3 of your points leaders finding their way up to that top slot.
Let's see if Russell can hang on to it. We got 3 to go. Erickson's taking the lead as they go. As Erickson's on the inside, it's a little hard to run the inside here at the Rockford Speedway. It's Russell hanging on to number 2. Here comes Evink to challenge Russell.
Erickson and Evink have a nice little air vacuum as those two were working around the track, and now they'll battle each other. And there's that Pinto in the 9. Aaron Rude. He's sneaky in that little car.
The top 3 points leaders are top 3 in this race. Aaron Rude, the points leader, sitting in 3rd in this race right now. As it comes around, who's it going to be? Is it going to be Erickson or Evink? It's going to be Erickson with the heat. Evink, Rude, Russell, Bridges, Stoltz, and rounding out the field, Melody Welding. Good race there as their points battle heats up.
68 of Steve Erickson, that is his 4th heat win. He also has 3 dash wins, 2nd in points. And that 68 car from McChesney Park, that pretty boy he is. At least that's what the pit calls him. When you win, though, it looks pretty pretty, don't it?
So will he get out of that car? We'll find out. Sponsored by John Cabello, 68th representative, which is where he got his number. Driving a 1988 Ford Mustang. Please give it up to the 68 of Steven Erickson Jr.